Honestly, that's it.
DukAmok 5X Rubik's Cube.
They rub it on the cube, so then they change colors, and eventually they change to like the same colors.
It just wears out. Yeah. Pretty much that's the secret. Why'd you tell him, Adrian? Why'd you tell him?
I would love to learn how to do it.
It's really easy. You see what I'm doing? Did you see what I did? Do that. Okay. Here. Right.
You just have to do it on mini.
Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Get 4 whites in the center together.
I'm gonna quit in the groove for this.
Oh god. Fuck this. Okay. No. Okay.
They say the cure to cancer lies in a 7x7 cube.
Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Now get 4 yellows in the middle on the opposite side. Now I'm at that.
It has a nipple in the middle. You'll never win. You don't have more nipples.
I guess not. Where's my
You said get him on the opposite side?
Yeah. That's down.
Right, yeah. James! That's hard.
I know, isn't it?